Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video in which we are going to write a Python program to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. So guys, in this Python program, we take a temperature in degree Celsius and convert it to degree Fahrenheit, which can be done easily with the help of the conversion formula. So they are related by this formula. As you can see, when we want to convert from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit, we have this formula, that is Fahrenheit on the left hand side. It is equal to, we use the degree Celsius on the right hand side. We multiply this number by 1.8 and then we add 32 in order to get the degree Fahrenheit. And in the reverse condition, that is to convert from Fahrenheit to degree Celsius, we take Celsius on the left hand side and then we take these numbers on the left hand side from this formula. So basically it will be Fahrenheit minus 32 first and then this number divided by 1.8. So guys, let us write this Python program in the VS Code over here. So the very first thing that we have to do is we need to take the degree Celsius temperature from the user as the input. So it is equal to, we use the input function in order to take the degree Celsius temperature. So we say enter the temperature in degree Celsius. And then guys, since this particular input will be taken as the string, so we need to convert it into the floating number. So this time we will be converting it into the floating number over here. So we simply have to prefix the float function over here and we have to enclose the entire input within the open and close parenthesis. So guys, over here we will be successfully able to take the degree Celsius temperature from the user using this float and the input functions. Now guys, simply we need to use this formula, that is Fahrenheit. It is equal to degree Celsius multiplied by 1.8 plus 32. So I'll simply copy this line of code and paste this over here. So guys, basically we will get the degree Fahrenheit temperature inside this variable. There's a spelling error over here, so basically we have to use this variable name. So I'll just copy and paste this over here as the degree Celsius variable. Now guys, simply we need to print this temperature in degree Fahrenheit. So what we will do is we will say degree Celsius over here is equal to, we will mention this degree Celsius temperature that was provided by the user as the input over here using the dot format function, and then we will say converted to degree Fahrenheit. So over here we will take the degree Fahrenheit as well, and then it is equal to, we will have to provide the Fahrenheit variable. So guys, what we have to do is after this string we have to use the dot format function and provide both the variables. That is, first of all we need to provide the degree Celsius in order to display that temperature over here, and then inside this curly braces we need to get the Fahrenheit temperature as well. So first we will copy this variable, that is Celsius, and then followed by comma, and then we have to copy this Fahrenheit variable. So guys, this is the way that we can use the dot format function as well in order to print the variables that we want inside these curly braces that we have mentioned inside the string. So guys, let me just save this file now and try running this code. The very first thing that will be asked by the user is to enter the temperature in degree Celsius. So let's say we provide the temperature in degree Celsius as 37 over here, and when we press enter, as you can see, degree Celsius it is equal to 37.0, converted to degree Fahrenheit it is equal to 98.60. So guys, let us verify this using the calculator as well. So over here what we have to do is the degree Celsius that was 37, we provide 37 and we have to use this formula, that is degree Celsius multiplied by 1.8. So we will do multiplication by 1.8 over here, and then we have to add 32 in this case. So as you can see, we are getting 98.6, and this is what we got in the terminal as well after executing this code, that is degree Fahrenheit it is equal to 98.6. So guys, in this way we have successfully converted from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit as far as temperature conversion is concerned. Now guys, similarly, let's say we want to convert from Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. So what we can do is simply we will copy this Fahrenheit and paste this over here, and we need to change the label, that is enter the temperature in degree Fahrenheit in this case. So user will be entering the degree Fahrenheit temperature in this case, and then we need to change the formula over here. So what we will do is over here we will come back again, we will copy this formula and paste it in our code. So basically this is the formula that we have to use. As you can see, Celsius, it is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 and then divided by 1.8. Now guys, over here what we have to do is, again we have to change the label, that is degree Fahrenheit. It is the number that will be entered by the user converted to degree Celsius in this case. So I'll just copy this and paste this over here. And in the dot format function, first of all we need to provide the Fahrenheit. So I'll just copy and paste this over here, and then on the right hand side we need to provide the degree Celsius variable. So over here we will provide the degree Celsius. So guys, we have completed the code for the conversion from the degree Fahrenheit to the degree Celsius temperature. So let me just save this file now and try running this code once again. So over here it is asking the user to enter the temperature in degree Fahrenheit. So let's say we provide the degree Fahrenheit temperature as 90. And when we press enter, as you can see, the degree Fahrenheit, it is equal to 90, converted to degree Celsius it is 32.22. So let us check this with the help of calculator as well. What we have to do is, we have to use this 90 as the degree Fahrenheit temperature. We have to remove 32 from this, so minus 32, and then this entire result needs to be divided by 1.8. so when we divide this by 1.8, we should get the temperature in degree Celsius. So as you can see, 32.22 is what we get as the degree Celsius temperature, and the same thing is being mentioned over here in our terminal as well. So guys, this is the way that we can convert the temperature from degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius as well. Let me just run this code once again over here, and let me put 78.33 as the degree Fahrenheit in this case. So what will be the degree Celsius temperature for this particular degree Fahrenheit number? Comment in the comment section below. So please make sure that you practice on your own, so that on different inputs you get different output, and take this as a homework for you and comment in the comment section below what will be the degree Celsius temperature for 78.33 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is Python program to check if a number is positive, negative or zero. So stay tuned.